Please repeat after me. وسواء عليهم.
وسواء عليهم.
Whenever you will read wow, you have to round your lips, like rounding lips. Wasawaun. Say it, please.
وسواء
Very good, mashallah. Very good. Wasawaun alayhim.
وسواء عليهم.
Hamza to pesh
Un.
wasawaun alayhim. Loudly.
وسواء عليهم.
أأنذرتهم أم لم.
أأنذرتهم أم لم.
Whenever you see like this orange color, actually there is rule. So whenever you see noon sakin, this one is noon sakin, right?
Yeah.
After noon sakin, if there is hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha, lam, ra, any one letter from 8 letter, then izhar, otherwise ikhfa. So no, zal is not in 8 letters. Look it, hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha, lam, ra. These are eight letters. Okay, whenever you see after noon sakin, if there is any one letter from these 8, then you will not do ikhfa, otherwise you will do ikhfa. Ikhfa means we will not read an, we will read say
أن.
not an is izhar, an this is ghunnah, this is ikhfa. Say أأنذرتهم.
أأنذرتهم.
Very good, mashallah. For example, this one is upper hard palate, just imagine, and this one is tip of the tongue. Okay, tip of the tongue. If tip of the tongue touches here and again skip, touch here again skip, means we are reading an, look it, an, say an,
أن.
look it. This is like this, like you are touching and then leaving, touch, leave, right? An, right?
أن.
Do you understand this concept? This is
Yeah.
tip of the tongue and this one is top one, upper hard palate. So if you are touching for like a half second, just touch and skip, touch and leave, means you are doing izhar, another. Okay, and if you are touching for 2-3 seconds, like it will be read touch it, please. Tip of the tongue, touch upper hard palate for 3 seconds. Say yeah, this is ghunnah. Okay. Look it, this letter is tun. So for example, you are touching 3 seconds, it will be tun. Like this one, top one is innama. Understand? For 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 4 seconds, if you are touching tip of the tongue, upper hard palate, it will be ghunnah. Okay, for ghunnah is same rule. If you actually For Ghunnah is same rule, but you can just uh, try to do Ghunnah on Noon Mushaddad and Mim Mushaddad. Whenever you see Noon with Tashdeed like Shad and Mim with Shad, must Ghunnah there like Lahum Inna Imamim Mubin. For 2-3 seconds touch there, okay. So now I am explaining about Ikhfa. About Ikhfa, you will not touch there and you will not touch and skip like this. Just you are trying to touch, okay, trying to touch upper hard palate, tip of the tongue, but there is space. Can you see space?
Yeah.
You are trying to touch. It will be like this. Then say right. You are not touching, trying to touch. Tunziruhum.
Tunziruhum.
Good job. Now this one, Ikhfa. Ajrin Kareem.
Ajri Karim.
Ajrin
Real.
yeah, like rin, rin.
Real.
Yeah, if you will touch there, it will be rin clearly, and if you will touch and skip, then it will be rin. And if you are trying to touch, then sound will be changed. Sound from the nose, noise from the nose. Ajril Kareem.
Ajri Karim.
Good. A'anzartahum.
Anzartahum.
Right. A'anzartahum.
Anzartahum.
Am lam tunzirhum.
Am lam tunzirun.
Zirhum.
Ziruhum.
La yu'minun.
La yu'minun.
Yes, do you understand our rule? You can see 2-3 time video. It will, everything will be clear, okay. For Ikhfa, for Izhar, for Ghunnah. Ghunnah, try to do Ghunnah on Noon and Mim Mushaddad like this. Noon Mushaddad or Mim Mushaddad. Mushaddad, you know, when you see any letter with Tashdeed or Shad, okay, Mushaddad. And for Izhar rule is whenever you see any one letter from these top 8 letters, Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha, Lam, Ra, after Noon Sakin or Tanween. After Noon Sakin is Noon with Sukun like Jazm. This is Noon Sakin, and this one called Noon Tanween means any letter with 2 Zabar or 2 Zir or 2 Pesh, okay. This is called Tanween, Noon Tanween or Tanween. So Noon Sakin or Tanween, if you see after that any one letter, then Izhar. Izhar means like Ajrin Kareem, rin, like Izhar means clearly, okay. Ajrin Kareem, no Ghunnah, no Ikhfa, no, just Izhar. Ajrin Kareem. Anzartahum. Now after Noon Sakin there is no any letter from 8 letter. This is Zal. So now we will read Ikhfa. Anzartahum. Is everything clear?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.